The year was 1994 and General B had a #1 song on the RJR Top 40 with Nicky. Let's now get the backstory behind that track in our Fiwi Culture segment.
Send me Nicky, go to school, Mr. Salaman, Nicky, Ghana man yard. Anything the matter do, Nicky.
At the time, Nicky was so popular, went to #1 on the charts. So what was it that inspired the song Nicky? Where did the idea for Nicky come about?
Because we was at a young stage, you know. And them time, because I attend school. And I'm saying, and before Nicky, there was a major hit. They said, they can't stand and get Patricia. You know what I'm saying? As I look at you, know you look a girl and the mother and father fight against you. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, we just come to the idea and say, you know what I say, they can't stand and get Patricia, and it become a major hit. And then after Patricia, the same vibes, you know, we are going to school. But you know, we are going to school as some look at hot boy, because you know, girls them always like we, you know. So we have also we go cook all the evening time. So you know, more time I go to me, say the school girl and I say, oh, you not go to school. Them just go to school. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming out. So I say no. So that inspire me. You know what I'm saying? I say I'm gonna send her to go to school and yes, I should show and spend time with we, you know. You know what I'm saying? And don't forget to say, we depend on different shift, you know, our shift already over, you know. You understand? And so more time I say, trust me, it just give an idea and it's so realistic way. It become a hit song because a natural thing I go on.
Nah, say see me, want live into a world of fantasy. She said she want a man, but that too early. Mummy J-pop,
When Nicky come now, it's just like I said, no. I never expect because as an artist, you don't know how much hit song you get. You can't predict the future. You get me just do music. I just like music. You know what I'm saying? When I do the first song, I get my first 30,000. I say to myself, do we have money enough? I'm not sure if I'm going to make no money again. I'm going to buy one bike. Them just gotta help me, that's me I get #1 song and the money enough you buy a car.
Lord, anything the matter do, Nicky do. Nicky she a go like she. Children no fear, always be fear. Respect your parents because them care.
How did the success of Nicky change your life? What did it do for you? What kind of doors it opened for your career otherwise?
Nicky, and not only it opened every doors, you know, because experience all over the world, countries I never expect me to fly. And because I fly from the Patricia, I start take plane.
Pree Dis Massive, big up on yourself. We're wrapping up right here in New Kingston. I'm not lie, I'm surprised rain never catch me, but big up God. Until next time, I'm your host Naldo Addy. Peace.